Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is about the hotkey Shift plus the letter P, which is under right here at Shift P, which is distribute spacing horizontally. And somebody said in X7 they don't have it or it's not working. And here's what it does. It'll do the two furthest part. Let's bring in an indexing line and put it on the edge of, or close to that one. I want it to be on perfect, that one. And then we're going to select these blocks, these circles, and I'm going to go Shift P. And what it did, it aligned them between the two furthest ones. Well, the gentleman says he doesn't have that. I'm going to show you where to find this. And then if you don't have it, you can add it. Or this is inside of Corel as a default. I guarantee it is there, but maybe you just somehow made it quit working, and then I would just close down Corel Draw, hold down your F8 key and start Corel while it's loading. It'll ask you to turn back to default, and I guarantee it'll be working then. But if you ever want to see these, if you just go to Tools and Options, Customization, go to Commands, and then click on the keyboard or keys, shortcut keys, and then View All. It will bring up all your shortcut keys, and you can just go down and look for Shift, because these have there's a bunch of shortcut keys. This is one of the ways I kind of started learning. I would print these off and then just try them. Some of them don't do a lot for me. There's a bunch of stuff that doesn't really pertain to me, but there's Shift left arrow for super nudge left and right, and now I can't find the one I'm looking for. There it is. There's the distribute space horizontally as P and vertically as A. That's how you could actually print this list out. It's pretty cool. And vertically, and so that is the A. If we rotate these back to 0, well, my number lock came unlocked, and you want to distribute them, let's move one of them in closer, and then we go Shift A, it'll distribute them between those two. So all these are right here with Shift. Of course, it's a kind of copycat on the letter P. If we click on this one and hit P, it puts it in the center of page. That's one of the hotkeys that's inside of Corel. So all these are already built in. I didn't add them. There's a lot you can do with this, but try looking for it first. If you don't have it, try rebooting your computer with a F8 key. If that doesn't help, let me know. Help that help. Thank you for watching.